My name is Emily, and if you are watching this video, then you have either already ordered your new skincare line or you are thinking about ordering your new custom personalized skincare line. So if you have or haven't, it's totally fine. Let's go through this together and let's break it down. So first, let's go over your packaging. What you're going to get in the mail is going to look like this. It's going to come in pretty boxes. This is going to be your serums, your cleansers, your night cream, your day cream. You're going to get this is going to be your basic regimen. So your basic routine is going to be cleanse, tone, treat, and moisturize. Okay? In each bag, you will open up really nice thick plastic. Okay, there's going to be a card in here. Mine says YOU-OLOGY. Okay, yours will say your name because it's custom just for you. Okay, and this is going to be my treatment serum. Comes like this. And you're going to pull out 3 tubes. Okay, these 3 tubes are what make it custom to you. The boosters that are just for your skincare. Okay. You can also pull out this green. If you're doing the serum, they're all color-coded, so green goes with green. Same with the little watermark. So if you open up this pamphlet, you'll have instructions here on how to put together your custom skincare. Or you can just watch me show you right now, girlfriend, okay? And after you're done with this, I'll show you that you can just throw this away. You don't need to memorize your boosters, okay? I'm going to open my serum. It's going to come in a gorgeous bottle like this, okay? And on the back, you're going to notice that there are lines right here. Let me find my camera. That where you can write what boosters you had so that you don't forget, maybe whenever you reorder, that you'll know. So you're going to open your serum. Going to take the lid off. Okay. Set that down. Going to grab my boosters. This is Glow. I need to add a little bit more glow to my skin. Gotta get that open. It's a little difficult. Okay, I am going to cut the tip off of this. And then I am going to squeeze all of that booster in to my serum. Okay, all of these serums are not made for all of the products. So each serum, each booster is made specifically for that base. So your serum base. Okay, you can't mix one with a green dot with a purple bottle. Okay, they have to go with what they're made. They're all made custom for you. Okay, cut the tip off. This one is brightening. I need to add some brightness to my face. Okay, we're just letting those babies fly. Again, I'm going to squeeze this whole thing in there. I'm a stickler for getting the last dot. I'm also a stickler for making a mess, so I make lots of messes. Okay, and then line minimizing. Okay, I'm approaching 30. I'm getting those spine lines. And there are different things for all ages, all skin types. That's why it's so awesome that this is customized, because something like me looking for fine lines and wrinkles is not what my, teenage clients are going to need. And then my clients in their 50s and 60s aren't going to need the same things that I'm going to need. Okay? So you're going to dispense all 3 of these vials, boosters, into your serum. Close it up nice and tight, shake it up, and you're ready to use, okay? And you're going to do that exact thing with each YOU-OLOGY customized product that you get, okay? So it is going to be these 4 products that are customized. You have your daily cleanser, your treatment serum, your day moisturizer, and your night cream. Okay, these 4 products are going to be completely custom to you. Included in the YOU-OLOGY line are also going to be rose water, which I use as a toner, liquid makeup remover, makeup cloths, cleansing cloths, as well as a cleansing stick and more. I don't know where I put that. Anyways, I'm going to go over these products with you. So first, let's talk routine, okay? Whenever you order your skincare regimen, if you order the full regimen, these are the 4 products that you're going to get, okay? And now I'm going to go over, like, the best morning routine, nighttime routine, when you're going to use these products, how you're going to use these products, what they're going to do for you, and we're going to keep this nice, short, and sweet, but give you a lot of facts, okay? First of all, your morning routine, okay? You're going to want to start every morning with your cleanser. That's going to be the one with the purple drop on it, okay? Start with your cleanser. You're going to use 2 pumps of your cleanser, okay? The cleanser is customized for you. It has coconut fatty acids in it, sunflower oil, and aloe leaf juice, okay? Soothes, softens, and revives skin. It preps your complexion for the rest of the skincare routine, okay? It obviously cleanses your skin well with all of that. And the gentle formula is great for all skin types, okay? That's your cleanser. That's going to go first, okay? And then you're going to tone, okay? If you have a toner, if you don't, you can skip this step, okay? It's okay if you don't have it all. My favorite toner is going to be rose water. It's going to be natural. My favorite option, and it comes in 2 different sizes. I have the large size, okay, which is just like the cleanser bottle, okay, but the rose water just has a white drop on it, okay. It's not custom, it is standard for everyone. It's just amazing rose water, okay. It's easy to apply. It comes in a spray pump, okay, just like that, and you can just spray pump it. You want to hold it about 6 to 8 inches away from your face, okay, and then spray all over, okay? It preps your skin for the serum. It leaves your skin feeling fresh and soothed. It has so many uses. You guys, if you haven't ever used rose water, it's great for eczema, it's great for psoriasis, it's great for sunburn, it's great for bug bites, it's great for dry skin, it's great for toning your face, it's a great primer, it's a good setting spray, like, rose water is amazing, okay? It's flippin' awesome. Okay, and next is going to be your treatment serum. The base is amazing, okay? You are going to use 2 pumps of this. Comes in a little pump like this. See that? There's olive oil in it, vitamin E, all that jazz. Super awesome for your skin. It soothes, nourishes the skin, hydrates, refreshes, and primes your face for your moisturizer. That's super important, okay? It's also customized just for you, like we said. And again, this gentle formula is great for all skin types. It is the powerhouse of your skincare. So this is going to be like, woo, the one that does the most work is this treatment serum, okay? Again, customized for all of your specific skincare needs. And the serum is going to have the green droplet on it, okay? Also, the treatment serum, okay, is highly concentrated. It has really tiny molecules that help it really go into your skin and into your skin quickly. Really super important that your treatment serum goes on before your moisturizer because of the different size molecules, that this has smaller molecules, and then the larger molecules of the moisturizer will really hold your serum in there, okay? Then, after your treatment serum, you're going to go to your day moisturizer, okay? This is the last part of your morning routine. I know I'm talking a lot, but the routine will actually go really quickly. You'll be done very fast. You can do it all at your sink after you brush your teeth or before, whatever your jam is, okay? This is your day cream. You're going to massage a small amount of this onto your face and neck whenever you open it up. There you go. And it just smells really clean. I love the way it smells. It smells so good. Okay, it's formulated with vitamin E, olive oil, trehalose, and more. So awesome, awesome ingredients that I'm finding. It instantly hydrates and moisturizes while also providing hydration over time, so throughout your day. Okay, it's a gentle formula, again, great for all skin types. Customizable. It's one of the customizable products to target your key skincare concerns. And then you can also tint this moisturizer. If you selected that as one of your options, it will come with a tint booster and it'll give a slight tint to it to kind of help you even out your skin tone, okay? And that is going to be your morning routine, okay? Now, if we switch to night, okay? If we switch to our nighttime routine, what we're going to start with is a makeup remover. Okay, one of these babies is going to be your all-over makeup remover, okay? So makeup removing cloths or the liquid. Make sure you shake the liquid. Okay, I'm going to tell you about these cloths real quick. We also have a cleansing stick. I have no idea where that is right now. It's really good for travel, so it's probably more than likely in one of my purses because it's amazing for travel. So the cleansing cloths are my favorite. This is what you're going to start your nighttime routine with, is either the cleansing cloths or the liquid makeup remover. Okay, so the cleansing cloths, let's start with these. They have sunflower, olive oil, rosemary, jojoba, vitamin E, and aloe leaf juice. All of that goodness in here, girlfriend. Okay, so you can choose to remove your makeup with one of these. You can choose to use the liquid makeup remover. It has a special formula made with 2 phases. If you take a look at the bottle, you can see that it's separated. There's some purple fluid down here and more clear fluid up here. So you always want to make sure that you shake it really well. Okay, so it's made with 2 phases, a silicone and a water base, which maximizes its ability to leave you fresh, makeup-free complexion. Okay, so make sure you just shake it up real good if that's the one that you decide to use, or whatever makeup remover that you love best. Those are just my 2 favorites, okay? If you choose a cleansing stick, which is my favorite for my eyes, okay, it's really good for travel and really good for like waterproof mascara, anything that's hard to get off, okay? So you're going to want to start with your makeup remover, remove your makeup. That's step 1 of your nighttime routine. And then you're going to cleanse. So grab your cleanser. It's your purple droplet, okay? Then you're going to want to tone. So let's grab our rose water again. We went over what that's about, okay? Then we're going to treat. There's our treatment serum again, our powerhouse of the bunch, okay? And then you're going to use your night cream. Same, looks very similar to your day cream, but it's going to have a blue droplet on it, okay? The night cream, again, is a custom skincare line. There's Echium seed oil, shea butter, trehalose, olive oil, and more. Okay, it soothes, nourishes, refreshes, and instantly hydrates your face. Okay, again, this is a gentle formula, great for all skin types. And the boosters are custom to your skincare needs. So what I need isn't going to be what you need, and what you need isn't going to be what I need. So I just love so much that it's custom. And then that's it for the night. And then there are also 4 different masks you can choose from. So if you take the personalized quiz, or you already took the personalized quiz, you might have been recommended one of the 4 masks. Or if you weren't and you want to snag a mask, just ask me or whoever you ordered from, okay? And you're going to use a mask 2 to 4 times a month. I personally like to do it once a week, so I would go with 4 times a month. I just pick like every Wednesday or every Friday. It's usually one of my pamper nights, so it tends to be on like Wind Down Wednesday when I'm laying in a bubble bath and I have a mask on my face. Like, that's just how I like to do it. So I think once a week is good. So there's going to be 4 different kinds of masks to choose from. The quiz that you take, which you can get from myself, will tell you what mask will go with your skin type. And if it doesn't, then go ahead and just ask who you're ordering from and they can help you, okay, or myself. There are 4 different types of masks, like I said, and the 4 different types of masks are oil control. Obviously, it speaks for itself when you have too much oil. A brightening mask, which helps with elasticity, tone, vibrancy, all of that, and that's actually a peel-off one. It's gold. It's so much fun. Then there's the exfoliating mask, which, again, speaks for itself, exfoliates your skin, helps with vibrancy. And then last but not least, there's a perfecting mask, which formerly was called the detox mask. We've now just changed the name to perfecting mask. Still the same mask, charcoal, bamboo, black mask, bubbles a little bit on your face, oxygenates your skin, gives you really nice clean complexion. It's fabulous. So if you wanted to do a mask, okay, that would go before your rose water, after your cleanser. So let's pretend this is a mask, okay? That's where your mask would go. So only 4 times a month. So only once a week would you throw the mask in there, okay? So nighttime is remove your makeup, cleanse, use a mask if it's your day to use a mask, tone, treat with your serum, and then night cream. And that's your nighttime routine, okay? All right, you guys, if you have any more questions, feel free to reach out to me, and we will be so happy to help you. All right? Thank you guys so much for being a part of this with me. If you've ordered from me, then thank you so, so much. I cannot wait to see everyone's skincare results because I know that I've already been using this for a week now and my skin is glowing so much more. My redness that I always talk about with you guys that I'm so insecure about is getting so much better. My tone is evening out. I'm not breaking out. My sensitive skin has not reacted to any of these products, which is amazing because boy, is it really tough with sensitive skin. If you have sensitive skin, you totally get it. So I'm super excited. Please send me your before and afters. Tag me in your pictures. Keep me updated in our Beauty Tribe group. If you're not a part of my Beauty Tribe, just let me know. Okay? I love you guys. I can't wait to hear from you. If you have any further questions, just ask. Bye, guys.